Good afternoon. I'm pleased to share with you waITer, a device that's designed for restaurants in order to make cuisine hassle-free. To start, and looking at today's generation, there is an increased focus on making the most of your time, which has turned it into a very on-the-go society. And this has led to creations of concepts such as mobile ordering for fast food. However, there are limited options in regard to locations such as fast casual restaurants, kind of like Applebee's and Olive Garden. That brings us to our creation, which is a handheld device that works in a restaurant through your customers' phones to allow them to order whatever they would like as they like it. A target market is restaurant owners and operators of a deeply populated area. And we would work with them by showing them the benefits of our device firsthand. Sales would be done through a contract system in order to promote continuity, and while we would not be selling the devices individually, they would come at different rates depending on the terms of the contract themselves. What does make us special is not only do we work on a customer's phone, that makes it simple for the customers to learn. Other terminals require the customer to sit down, learn what the buttons do, and all of that. Whereas working through their phone, they already have an inherent knowledge of how their phone works, thus making it very user-friendly. We will communicate through three main methods with our attempted clientele, which would be phone calls, emails, and demonstrations. And by using a combination of these three, this will prevent those from who are not interested to get overloaded by emails and phone calls from us, when we can just figure out who is interested, work with them one-on-one with demonstrations. The main competitors that we have are Ziosk, Presto Prime, and BuzzTime. Each one is specialized for what their goal is, where BuzzTime is for bars and is more games. Ziosk is a combination of Presto Prime and BuzzTime, and Presto Prime is more geared towards simplifying the checkout. The current management team lists only one name. However, I have an idea of who would fit in where, as I would be the CEO, and we would like to have an accountant as our financial officer. Someone that shares the same vision and can understand the methodology would be the best as our chief operating officer, and a publicity representative for our marketing team, as well as a programmer or software designer for our technology officer, as we are heavily invested in that session as well.